Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can operate your Hisense Inverter AC remote. And you can see right there is my Hisense Inverter AC 1.5 horsepower and I bought it newly. So in this video I'll be showing you guys practically all the functions on the remote and how to operate each and every one of them. Now in case you haven't seen how the Hisense AC remote looks like, this is how it looks like. And all here are different functions, and here are the sides how it looks. You can see it, right? And at the back right here you can open here and change your battery. You can see it, right? Let me drop this down. I can't put it. Here's the battery. You can always change it. This is how it looks, the remote. Okay, so now right now the AC is off. And how do you turn the AC on? To turn the AC on, you can see right here power button. Just come here and press on it. If you press on the power button, you can see that right now the AC is on. If you go on the outdoor units outside, you see that the fan there will be turning. So after some times, the AC will start chilling and the coolness will circulate around your room. And now, if you on the AC, there are all these functions mean different things where you can set so that you can adjust the AC on how you want it to work. For instance, we have right here temperature high and temperature low. You can see right now the AC is on temperature low. Temperature low means the highest cooling of your AC. You can see right now is 16. And you can see if I come here, you can see here this degree. And you can see right here is kind of freezing. And this is how the AC remote looks on default. If you bought it newly, this is how it looks. So right now it means that the AC is at its cooling or is at its coolest point. It can chill at its coolest point. So temperature low. Now let me say if your room is too cold and you want the AC to have a little bit of warmness, then you will come here on this temperature higher and tap on it and increase the temperature. You can see that at the AC there, the number is increasing, 21, 22. You can set until you get to 30 depending on the AC. There is the highest temperature high. So it means that right now the AC will be cooling, but with a little bit of warmness. It won't be too cooling so much. So, but if you want the AC to cool so much, come on this temperature low right here and press on it and bring the temperature to 16. I know in some AC the temperature is 18 depending on the AC, but mine is 16. So 16 means the highest coolness of the AC temperature in your room. Understand? So you can see right there is super mode. Now what does it mean? Super mode means that, let me say you want the AC to start cooling immediately. Let me say you just came back from work in one hot afternoon and you are very hot and you want the AC to start cooling immediately. Just come here for instance and press on this super mode. If you press on it, you can see here's the super mode button or function. So right now it won't take too much time and the AC will start cooling immediately. So on this super mode, the AC's compressor will be blowing faster and this mode consumes a lot of energy. Understand? But it takes a few times before the AC will start cooling and circulate everywhere around the room. So once the AC has cooled so much, you can come here again and press on this super mode and the AC will come back to its normal cooling. Understand? Whereby the compressor won't be blowing so much. Now this fan mode. What is fan mode? Fan mode means that if you press on this fan mode, for instance, it will off the compressor of the AC and only the fan that will be blowing air to circulate around your room so that the room won't be hot, neither cold, just like your normal fan in your house. So the fan mode, if you turn it, the AC will be blowing fan while the compressor is off so that it will just keep the room like normally, like your normal fan. So that's what the fan mode is. Now, smart mode. How do you use smart mode? Now, this smart mode means that, let me say, there are so many people in your room. Once you press on this smart mode, now this smart mode has a sensor whereby the AC adjusts automatically according to the temperature of your room. Let me say there are 10 people in your rooms and you put on this smart mode. So the AC sensor will now sense that there are 10 people in your room and it will cool according to the number of people in your room. And now if people have gone out of your room and it's left with two people, the AC sensor will sense it and also adjust so that it will make the temperature to cool according to the number of people in your room. So that's how this smart mode works. The smart mode has a sensor that adjusts the AC's cooling according to the temperature in your room. Now, this mode, on this mode here, if you press on this mode, means that you want to select different mode on your AC. So we have fan mode, we have the other mode too. So that's what this mode means. So on this I feel, now this I feel button, if I press on this I feel button, for instance, the AC sensor will automatically locate the person that is holding the remote and now channel the cooling to the person that is holding the remote. Like it means that this I feel button means that the AC would locate where the remote is. Probably that's where the person that holds it is. So it will channel its cooling to the area where the remote is. You can press again and remove the high film mode. So these very two buttons here means swing button. If I tap on this button, the AC will begin to rotate. For instance, you can see that it has begun to rotate. It's now swinging up and down. So the swinging helps the AC to circulate air or coolness around your room. So these very two buttons here or functions here means the swing function. Now, this clock function, if you tap on it here on this clock here, for instance, if you tap on it, you can come on this temperature low and temperature high and set your time. If you set your time, you come here again and tap on this clock and your time will be set. Understand? That's the remote time here will be set. So this timer here, this timer on button here means that, for instance, you want your AC to on at a particular time. Just come here and press on this timer on. So you come here and use this temperature down and temperature up and select the time you want your AC to get on. That is to say, if your AC is off, you can set timer when you want your AC to turn on. So after that, if you just come here and select the time, either here or here, so come here again and press on this timer on, and the AC will get on at the time you have set. So while timer off here, if you tap on this timer off here, for instance, it means that you want to set the time whereby you want your AC to get off. For instance, right now my AC is off, and let me say, for instance, I want this AC to go off at 12 p.m. If I tap on this timer off, I'll come and use this temperature arrows here and set the time in which I want the AC to go off. If I set the time using these arrows here, I'll come here again and press on this timer off, and once it gets to that time, the AC will go off. And this function is good. Let me see, for instance, if you're going to bed, so that your AC can go off at the time you have set. So now, this very quiet mode means that if I press on this quiet mode, the AC will stop making sound. For instance, if I press on it, you can see that the AC will be blowing, but you won't hear any sound again. It will be quiet. Understand? So press on it here. So the AC will be blowing quietly, no more sound. The only thing you can hear or feel is the coolness, no any sound. Now on this dimmer mode means I want the light there to go off. You can see that 16. If I tap on this dimmer mode, that light will go off. You can see it has gone off. But it means that the AC is still on. But let me say the light is off. The AC is still blowing, but that dimmer mode is off. If I want to on it, I come here again and tap on this dimmer mode, and the light will come on. You can see it, right? Now, this economy mode, if you tap on this economy mode, it means that it helps to reduce the compressor speed and the fan speed so that it will help to save energy consumption. This so to say, if you use meter as in Nigeria and you tap on this economy mode, it helps to reduce the operational function of your AC, whereby even the coolness, the fan speed, the compressor, everything will reduce, whereby it will adjust and blow slowly so that it will also economize power consumption. So you can see it, right? So to off your AC, come here again and tap on this power button here. You can see my AC has gone off, and very soon that very button will get closed. You can see the AC has gone off. So guys, in case you don't understand anything, please go to the comment section and comment, and I will be there to answer you. Thanks for watching, and bye.